Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the watch and phone. This saves time. First, plug the included charger and charge the FitPro T500 to near full. You want at least 50% before pairing. Once done, press and hold the side button for 3 to 5 seconds to power on. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is enabled and keep the devices close, about 1 to 2 meters. This combination ensures reliable detection and avoids pairing interruptions, so you can move to the app right away. You now pair and configure features within the companion app. Open the FitPro app, tap Add Device, and select T500 from the device list. Allow Bluetooth and location permissions when prompted, because the app needs them for reliable sync. After pairing, sync time and enable notifications so calls and messages appear on the wrist. Then adjust alarms and set activity goals like steps or heart rate zones. These settings tailor daily tracking and make sure the watch reports consistent data back to the app. You're ready for everyday use and occasional fixes. Use swipe gestures to navigate menus and tap the screen to confirm selections. That keeps interactions quick. For charging, align pins firmly. If the watch becomes unresponsive, press and hold the side button for about 10 seconds to reboot. If sync fails, make sure Bluetooth is on, force close the companion app, then reopen and repair if needed. This routine clears most connection issues while preserving your settings and fitness data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.